Hey guys, happy 4th of July. This is going to be that 4th of July firework eye look. I'm totally gonna wing it because I used my phone for this and yep, we're just gonna wing it because I don't exactly remember how that photo looked. I just tried to memorize it before I put it up. So I'm going to start by prepping my eye, because I don't want to put my foundation on yet. I feel like there's going to be a ton of fallout with that. Ooh, I have this blue. Sorry. ADD. Squirrel. But I am also going to prep and prime my face so that that primer can really soak in. So I am going to use the Master Prime Blur and Illuminate. And I'm so sad my PS4 has decided that it is no longer going to connect to my internet. And I have no music and I can't listen to anything because my PS4 just said, fuck you, I'm done working with the internet. So happy 4th of July to me after I just got a new controller. Awesome. And my phone does not tell me who's here. So if you are here, say hi, because my phone does not tell me who's here. So I am not ignoring you. I found this out when I was in Florida that I wasn't shouting out some people who were watching, and I'm super sorry. So if you are here, say hi and I will say hi back. And forgive me, I have to dig into my bag, so I'm gonna look down a lot. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced primer for this. I wish I was using my NARS, but it's like dead. I have to go buy some more. Hi Ashley, how are you doing? What are you doing? I saw you dressed up. You look amazing. Oh, thanks, Amanda. What are you guys doing for the 4th? All right. Fuck. Just drop everything. And I'm just gonna set that, of course, so it's easier to blend. Oh, that's awesome. I'm like so nervous about this look because I don't have a photo in front of me. Alright, so I think I'm going to go with mostly from the Kat Von D palette. Her pigments are really, really good, and she has oh, that sounds like fun, Amanda. And they're really pigmented. And I'm trying to, I don't even think I have like a really good red. I have like a dark red. I have a NYX red, but it's not as red as I had hoped it would be when I was swatching it earlier. Comes up more pink. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't think Jacqueline with her new palette has a red. I am going to use her palette for the white highlight though. Oh, she has a blue though. But it looks more purple. But I think it might work. What do y'all think? I think that blue would be kind of fun. We'll try it. Yeah, it's kind of like a blue-purple here swatched on my hand. Yeah, that doesn't really show up very well. All right. So let's get this party started. So I'm going to start off with my trusty beginner brush. And again, it's just the Sonia Kashuk brush from Target. Pointy to start off with. And we're going to start off with that blue. I do have my ColourPop blue, but I think it would be, I might use that for part of the fireworks also. I swear, doing this on the camera is always so weird. I'm like, I need a mirror. Fucking shimmers. I know that photo had more of like a cut right here, but I cannot find my tape and I did not grab, oh, but I still have time. Oh, the translucent powder. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to create that winged look. And this just keeps it from going out onto your skin. It almost works as good as the tape. I kind of like the tape better, but I forgot to grab tape, so it's gonna look like I have cocaine on my face for now. And all over my shirt. Alright, so I feel like that needs to be a little bit darker, so I am gonna pick up, where did the brush go? I am going to pick up a little bit of the Kat Von D dark blue, and I'm going to mix it in with Jacqueline's blue. Hi, Diana. And seriously, again, guys, if you're here, let me know because I can't see shit. Cool. Look at someone punch me in the face. We're getting there. Oh my god, it's like just white powder everywhere. I feel like I'm in a coke dealer's house. Alright. So I asked the girls earlier who were on what everyone was doing for 4th of July. Everyone who's watching, if you haven't answered, because literally the number keeps changing. I don't know who's watching still and who's not. What's everyone's plans for 4th of July? Alright. Oh, thanks, Diana. I actually have a YouTube channel and I post these videos, but sometimes I forget to post my videos on there. Oh, fireworks at home. I don't think we're going to fireworks this year. I'm so sad because they're my favorite, but we're going to a barbecue with some friends and I'm super excited, so that's okay. Maybe we'll see we saw some fireworks driving home from Florida. I was like, oh my god. Yeah, I'm weird. Alright, god, I wish I could see this picture. So I'm pretty sure up top was white. So, oh my god, seriously. Cocaine, look everywhere. I'm gonna try this brush. Ooh, not bad, not bad. We drove by the firework place in Florida. It's like on the border of Georgia and Tennessee, and it has they claim the lowest prices in Tennessee, and I was like, we should just stop and get fireworks. We didn't because it was so late. And I was like, no, really. I just want to go to bed. All right, so I'm going to mix 3 colors for this white because I don't know how it's going to work out because white is really hard if you don't have a pencil. And I lost my white pencil. I gotta go rebuy a new one. So I'm going to go in with this Kat Von D, and it is the color Skulls. Seems appropriate. And then, I hope they're badass. And then I'm going to mix, I just put my fingernail in it. God, this is why I'm buying another palette too, because I cannot have nice things. I'm going to mix this one and this one with that Skulls to try to get that really bright white right there at the top. And on my lower lid. Because I remember that it was like red and then white. So this is the Morphe M235. It really packs in that color right there. So here's hoping it works. And I might even, no. So I'm going to pick up Skulls and then those 2 other colors and let's see what happens. Oh, hey. Perfect. And I will definitely tell I'm going to be building up on that blue some more. I think the blue took me forever last year too. So did the white, honestly. And then I just picked up Skulls by itself to go over it again. So we get home last night and Gator's like passed out. Like as soon as Gator laid down last night, he fell asleep. And some huge firework went off and he was not happy. He was not okay with that, guys. He like choked on his tongue. And I was like, oh Jesus. And this was like after 11 o'clock at night. And this is just the Kat Von D dark blue. And I'm just using sweeping motions because this look doesn't need to be as blended as the other ones. Oh yeah, I had to like pull a total mom. I had to like, first I was like, Gator, it's okay. Gator, it's okay. And then I was like, Gator! And then he was like, oh, stop choking on my tongue. It's okay. I might need a different, more compact brush. We'll see. Yeah, and I've not pre-tried this look out since last year, so, yeah, this might be a total shit show. I have no idea. Hi guys, in your face. I think it's dark enough. All right. So now the red. Oh my God. All I can see is the translucent powder. I forgot I have these little mini ones that I use for my Wonder Woman look, but I think they're, like, that's really dark. It would match my leggings though. Well, my leggings are actually lighter than that. I totally have 4th of July leggings on too. Ha! Who's shocked? Not me. And those are really brown. All right. So we're just gonna go with the Kat Von D palette here. Oh yeah, too dark. Because Jacqueline, hers are, that's like a red orange. And that's like a brick red. All right. Kind of swatched some Jaclyn Hill for you guys. I promise I will swatch that palette. It has just been crazy with forgetting that we had a trip to Florida planned. And all that good stuff. So I've not forgotten. I will definitely swatch that palette. Okay. So now I'm just trying to find a brush that's going to actually work for this color. And my brushes are super dirty because I may or may not have done my makeup in the car driving to Guardian Con every single day. I was pretty impressed though at how well the makeup turned out in Guardian Con makeup. Driving in the car, putting it on. It was super fun. I love Guardian Con, and Guardian Con is coming back again next year. So I'll be back in Florida again in July of next year. I'll also be back in Florida in December at Christmas time. So hopefully those of you that I missed, I get to see you. Because I'll be there for like a whole week, not just a weekend. And there's no events. So fingers crossed. Alright, so I'm going to start with the red. Is it white and then red? I'm put the red on the outside. I think she did white, but I would prefer to do a red on the outside. And this is the Morphe E17 brush. It's just like it's good for packing on. It's not like a flat pack brush, but it's really precise because it's smaller bristles and they're all packed in there. And I don't want to blend because I really don't want to turn anything purple. It's so hard to tell what this looks like in this. I'm going to have to buy a mirror or find my mirror. Something tells me I will be like looking at this again standing up in my bathroom. Okay. And Gator's laying outside the door. He's been banished. He's barking outside the door. He's so angry. Alright, so now I'm going to do the white, which is again just the same white I put up here. And I'm really excited for this makeup today because Nashville, this is my first 4th of July in Tennessee. And which means there's way less humidity because last 4th of July we went and watched the fireworks downtown in Sarasota. Whew. I had a makeup issue, guys. Had a makeup issue. It was just melting down my face. Like this red, white, and blue look turned into something like just black all over my face. I was like, dang it, even with setting spray. All right, now I'm just going to go over with just skulls just to brighten that up. Cool, skulls moved. I have so much powder in my eyes. So I might end up having to spray my brush and go over that skull white look on this, because it's mixing in. I'm honestly wondering if she did a cut crease and it just didn't say that in the photo that she did a cut crease, because I just feel like that's the only way that would have worked. That's really the only white I have. I don't make a lot of whites. Don't mind me, I'm just checking some more of my palettes. Ooh, bright white. Maybe you'll help. Alright. Alright, so now the fun thing is trying to make these fireworks. God help me. So I'm going to brush off the RCM color. And this is just an Morphe M330. And you just, whoop, whoop. And see, I made that cut. It could have probably made it better if I would have remembered to put it on first. Perfect. All right. But before we do that, I forgot, I don't have my foundation on yet. So we're going to do foundation, because can't do fireworks without foundation on. So, and I think I am going to use this color pop for those fireworks, the blue on the fireworks. So it'll be a little bit different blue, but that's okay. It's shimmery and pretty. Don't mind me, I'm just trying to get the stuff off the back of my hand. So I'm going to use my Urban Decay All-Nighter and my Morphe M439. This is my favorite brush to put my foundation on with. And I have tried a lot of brushes. And of course down onto your neck. Now I am going to put some, sorry guys, my back is killing me. Some concealer under my eye, and I don't normally do that, but because my eyes are going to be so dark and so random, I am just going to put a little bit of concealer underneath there. And I use two colors because I'm a weird tone right now. So it's the Urban Decay Fair Neutral and the Urban Decay Light Neutral. And I actually discovered whilst putting my makeup on in the car that I have a brush that does this so much better for me than a the damp sponge. Because even with the sponge, I can never get it like out of my crease just right. And it was so annoying. So I actually quit doing concealer under my eye for that reason. So this is the brush. It's the Morphe E8. And as you can see, I didn't put it right in my waterline. I'm going to push it up into there. And I am just blotting. I am not rubbing. And I am bringing that down into that V triangle. And then this I'm going to lightly buff out. I literally just almost answered a text. I went to go answer what I was bringing to a barbecue today, and I was like, that's not going to help me. None of them are watching this video. All right. So now I'm definitely going to have to work on this white when I get off this video. God help me here. So I'm going to use these two brushes, and I wish I had an, oop. We'll use these three brushes. So they're just thin pointed brushes. I don't know. And they're going to help make these lines for these fireworks. I know I'm thinking doing this. Hey Steph, I see you joined. I'm bringing potato salad and a dessert. I'm super glad that you got on because I was like, I cannot answer your text. Hi, bitch. So it's super bright blue, but I kind of like it. I will do the dark blue too. I'm going to mix them in. And then we're going to pick up the red. Seriously, I just put the brush down. And the white. And I'm going to do just skulls for this. Okay. Don't worry, Trent will drink for you, and Andrea and I never drink when we get together. We just drink water, and we still have fun. We're gonna bring dessert and the potato salad, and then we're gonna bring like Cards Against Humanity and some of the other games we have here. So it'll be fun. All right, now let's all pray to God I can do this on the other side of my face, because one side is always Banff and the other side is always like, I went to Walmart and got done. well, let's be real, they're not gonna match. I knew this was gonna happen. I don't even care. I'm not a professional. We all know this. All right. So we have the 3 lines done. Now we get to try to make them look like fireworks. And God, I wish I could remember what that picture looked like. I know she had like some squiggles and then it went down her face. I need one more. I don't. You know what? Fuck. So for my dark blue, I'm going to use this one to add in another color. We'll see how this goes. I'm a little nervous. Hi, Mom. Yes, we have Gator's food. We did not let him starve. Sorry, I couldn't answer your text. I'm glad you got on. All right. I'm so nervous about that. If this looks like shit, by the way, Andrea, and I'm totally washing this off before I come to Andrea's house. Because I tried to do a wine and paint a firework. It's hanging up in my guest bathroom, which means I have to trust you enough to A, let you stay at my house, and B, go into that bathroom to see how terrible it is. Hey, Ma, how many text messages did you wake up to this morning? Because, y'all, I texted my mom, like, my entire drive home, and I think she went to sleep. I'm pretty sure she woke up to, like, 100 missed text messages. I know she had a white that went straight up here. I think I just like took off half my makeup. Note to self, next year buy pencils or liquid pens in these colors. That'd be helpful. That'd make this so much easier. But why would I do anything the easy way? It's just not my style. Yeah, Mom, I am. Do I look terrible? I don't even know what more I could add. Like, she had glitter and I have glitter. I just have to go searching in a different bag. So when I put up my final photo, there will be some glitter added into this. I just have to find it. I had like glitter liner, but I have another makeup bag and I gotta find it. It got like lost in the move. So there will be glitter added in. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Kind of basic. It's not as like as hers, but I'm afraid that if I do too much, I'm gonna hate it and it's gonna get messy. So I'm just gonna finish off my face. Okay, I will have Eric bring the football. I lost it. All right. So I'm not going to bring my contour up this way today, guys. I'm just going to go across my cheek. Thanks, Mom. So much better than our painting, right? And the trick when you're doing contour, for the few of you that are watching, is don't go down your face. You want to go across, because your cheekbones don't go like this. They go like this. I used to go down, and sometimes I still go down. I have to be like, no, 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 up. No, mine looked a hot mess, Mom. I think you just forget how bad mine looked. Alright, and today I'm going to use the L'Oreal blush. And I'm honestly going to mix all four of these colors. Blend. And of course, blend until your fingers bleed. That is the trick. Now we do need eyebrows, because you just need your eyebrows. And shit just goes missing. Ooh. I swear to God, this bag is like a black hole. You would not think this small of a bag would be such a black hole. But it like eats what I'm looking for every time. And then I'm half wondering if I didn't put it back while I was doing my makeup in the car, because I was in a hurry and I just threw stuff in. Ooh, jackpot. That's not what I was looking for, though. Alright, so we're going to do our eyes a little differently again. Where the hell did it go? I mean, I'm looking at everything. No, I usually do my makeup in the car, Mom, so it might be in the Jeep still. Ah. I can bring my stuff, and you can my stuff, and you can give your fire. You can try Firework, guys. I'm not doing this again. Nope. It's all you. Yes, I lost my spoolie, so I just used a makeup brush. Don't do that. All right, so now I am contemplating if I want to run my waterline with my blue. It's like a teal blue. It would match this Firework, or black. Any of you two have a preference? So you get called in and you'll have cool eyes and I can get over it. Black, okay. And I was just setting my under eye there, guys. And now I'm gonna set this. My mom's right, Steph. You could totally do this eye. It's not that difficult. You just have to have confidence in yourself. All right, so now I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I just went from 2 to 4. I don't know who joined, but hi! Thanks, Mom. Oh my Lord, Mom. So we got home last night and we passed out, right? But Gator, as soon as he laid down, he was snoring on the bed. And someone lit a firework and he started choking on his tongue. And I had to pull a U to be mean. At first I was nice. Then I was like, Gator! It's fine. No, I'm not kidding. Like, this, it was so loud. Like, I definitely don't think it was legal. And it had like just downpoured, so I think they were like waiting for the downpour to be over before they went out and did it. I was not impressed. I was so pissed. So yeah, as you can see, that white is getting in on that blue, so I'm gonna have to probably my shitty internet connection maybe. I think a storm is getting ready to roll in here. So yeah, I'm going to go back over with that blue, and I think I'm going to spray my white down and pack that on there. No. And then he ended up like curling up with me like, oh, Mom, you saved me. Yes, yes, I did. You're right. Stop doing that. Oh, I just realized I did not contour my jawline. Whoops. And I'm just going to use my big, fluffy favorite brush to blend that out with. And I have red lipstick, but I gotta find it. I thought I packed it, but I didn't see it. That's why I have grays now. Who needs a kid when you can have a dog who's gonna give you grays? He's such a little shit. Nope. I know I saw my NARS. So it's going to happen again. I'm going to dump out this bag and see if it's in here. No. No, it's not. Where the fuck? I just bought a big NARS lip pencil too, and I'm so pissed. It's not okay, kids. It's not okay. So, Steph, are you watching? Oh, you don't have your stuff. Never mind. Alright, so I'm going to use, because it is 4th of July, my NYX Duochrome highlighter. This stuff is like shine bright like a diamond. I was going to ask you if you had your red lipstick with you, but then I realized you were coming from work, and probably not. So this is the Morphe 510 brush, and I'm just going to pick up the product. Oh, yes! Can I use it to finish this look? Hi! But I want to use my regular. I'm just going to use my regular highlighter for my nose and my Cupid's bow. And then when I post this finished look, I will have red lipstick on. If I find my NARS pencil, I will be really excited because that's really what I wanted to use instead. Because it is like the perfect red, and I'm so sad. I'm hoping it's just floating around my house somewhere. And then I will have fixed this white because I don't know why it's doing that. I guess I could try it right now with you guys. So I'm going to spray my brush with the Morphe Prep and Set. Where did it go? This is why I love watching Pam's videos, because she does the same thing as me. Like, where did my brush go? I don't think I pulled it out in the Jeep, Mom. Oh, that's a little bit better. All right. Spray. Please tell me I picked up skulls. I did. Okay. I know, Pam. Me too. Me too. And this little brush picks up so much product. Like, look at all that product still left. Hi. All right. Just trying to figure out a finishing touch here, because I want to fix that blue. So I'm going to pick up my brush that's super dirty for my pool party extravaganza. And try to fix that. Without getting all of my white gone. It's not easy. Steph, when are you doing your fun photo? Or your fun makeup? Yes, I lost another brush, in case you're wondering. I quit at life. Where did it go? I just had it. I didn't put it away. Stupid. It's right in my face. Alright, so I think that is as good as it's gonna get. Sorry for the silence. I was thinking. So there it is, the finished look. Yep. A little different. It's not the same as the photo because I don't have the photo with me. The downside of having to use my phone to make my videos. But I think it looks okay. I definitely need better lashes. But yeah, I will post this finished photo with the red lipstick, and if I find my glitter, the glitter in the fireworks as well. I hope you guys have a great 4th of July, and I will be seeing some of you soon. Bye!